Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can put images on shapes or inside different shapes in Canva. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have two images in my project right now, and let's say I wanted to add them to a couple of shapes. For example, I want this one to be in a triangle, and I want this one to be within a circle. What we're going to be using is, once you go to elements, you want to scroll down and you'll see frames. Frames are exactly what we're going to be using. So let's take a circle for the left one, and let's take this sort of square with blunt edges for the right one. Now, as you can see, they are entities of their own, and you can very easily resize them however you would like, elongate them, do literally whatever it is you want. Let's say, for example, this, and as you can see, I have this picture, and now all I have to do to put it into this shape is just click and drag it, and as you can see, it has been, well, changed. If you press what is it, I forgot which button it is. If you double click it, you can drag it around through the shape to position it better. You can also use smart cropping, and you can also rotate it if you wish. But that is pretty much it. And just to demonstrate again, click it, drag it, drop it, and that's basically it. Double click it to move it around. You can also rotate it, as you can see there. However, I'm not sure why the size is that large now. But yeah, that is pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.